Journey through time. Or maybe just a journey through my chaotic mind. Is this thing on? Hello, past. Hello, future. Anyone there? He fixes history or breaks it. Welcome, the master of temporal paradoxes, Dr. Chronos. The temporal flux. It's fluctuating. We have to fix something. Ignored by a time traveler. Is the past more interesting than my fabulous tuxedo? I'm trying to fix the Great Spaghetti Incident of 1889. Someone overcooked it. The Great Spaghetti Incident? I thought we were fixing something important, like my bad hair day yesterday. The temporal integrity is compromised. My time machine is smoking, non-optimized. Time for a party! We're celebrating temporal existence! Grab the confetti gun! You need more joy! Time to inject some chaotic celebratory particles into your temporal field. Unscheduled particulate matter detected. This confetti will contaminate the entire timeline. Stop! It's empty. My weapon of celebration is exhausted. Now it's just a large plastic object. You are a temporal anomaly. Your tuxedo is a paradox. You must not exist. I'm not a paradox. I'm a host. This is just a cheap tuxedo. Stop pointing that thing at me. I'm getting readings. Your existence just created a small, localized time tornado. Time tornado? Can I get a selfie with the temporal distortion? Is this live content? Stop! You'll release the past! The paradox contamination is reaching critical mass! This is my timeline now! I have the power! Your oversized tool is mine! The temporal integrity of the last 5 centuries is now threatened by your chaotic whims. No! I'm detecting dinosaurs in the green room! The temporal barriers are failing! Run! I sense the temporal anomalies. Did anyone see a T-Rex run out of the green room? The timeline is mostly fixed. Thanks for not getting eaten by a prehistoric beast. Thanks for traveling with us. Time is a flat circle, but our ratings are a sharp upward slope. I'm keeping this screwdriver. You never know when you might need to fix history. Check your pants! You might have traveled back to your childhood wardrobe. Good night! This thing is a mess. It needs a full software update before next week's show. Fix! This is the highly technical troubleshooting method. I'm detecting a paradox in the catering service. We must warn past Max about the old sandwiches. I must fix the continuity error. This timeline needs immediate calibration. Timeline is calibrated. The screwdriver is now a projectile of temporal efficiency. Good night!